Good morning, Mr. Daniel.
Good morning.
I'm Eunice, and I'm gonna be your Annie today. And I'll be doing your mouth care. But first, let me provide you privacy. Make sure the bed is stacked and low at the label position. And now, I'm gonna go ahead put this down. I'm gonna go ahead sit you up in sitting position in count of 3. 1, 2, 3. The client is sitting upright at 75-95 angle degrees. And now I'm gonna put gloves on. And now I'm gonna go ahead place the towel across the client's chest. And now I'm gonna go ahead with the toothbrush and put toothpaste. Now I'm gonna toothbrush all surfaces. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wipe the mouth and this. I'm gonna dispose. I'm gonna collect the materials. I'm gonna rinse. I'm gonna dump, rinse, dump, and I'm gonna dry. I'm gonna dispose the gloves. And I'm gonna wash my hand. And here's your call light. And do you need anything else?
No.
Okay, I'm gonna make sure again the bed is tucked in low, the position. And I'm gonna wash my hand and skill complete.